Oh no, the roof is leaking.
Please sleep, children. We will fix it.
Mom, my blanket is wet. Come here, Leo. Sleep near me. Dad, water is on my bed.
I will stop the water with my hand.
And is tired.
It is okay. The children must sleep.
Why is our house like this?
One day, we will have a good house.
I am scared of the rain.
Do not worry. We are together.
I do not have the school fees.
We need more time. Leo, where is your school fee?
Sorry, teacher. My dad will pay soon. They are poor. They never pay on time. I feel sad. Do not cry. We will study hard.
I am sorry, my children.
It is okay, Dad. We love you. Welcome to my birthday party. Happy birthday!
Where is your gift?
Sorry. I have no gift. He came without a gift.
That is funny.
Let's go home. Yes. I feel bad.
Why are you sad?
They laughed at us. Kindness is the best gift. I will remember that. Mom, I am hungry.
I am sorry. We have no lunch today.
Where is your lunchbox? I forgot it at home. My stomach hurts. Drink some water, Moto.
Tomorrow will be better.
I believe you, Mom. My shoes are broken.
Wear them for a few more days.
My dress has a hole.
I will stitch it tonight.
Look at his old shoes. They are so funny. Please stop laughing. My brother is kind.
I am sorry, children.
It is okay, Dad.
One day, you will smile.
I am waiting for that day. Why is it dark?
The power is cut.
Dad, let's go to the hospital.
I don't have enough money.
I am scared.
I am with you.
I cannot study.
Use this small candle.
Mom, is tomorrow the festival? Yes, my son, it is tomorrow.
Can we buy new clothes?
I am sorry. We have no money.
My friends have new dresses. We can wear our old clothes. I made a small sweet for you. Thank you, Mom. It is very tasty.
I have a fever today.
Please take some rest.
Dad, let's go to the hospital.
I don't have enough money.
Mom, are you okay?
I will be fine, my dear.
I feel worried. Mom will get better soon.
I am sorry, dear.
Do not blame yourself.
Please pay the rent. Give me a few more days.
I lost my job today.
I could not find any work today.
Do not lose hope. Dad, are you sad?
A little, my son. Everything will be okay.
Yes. We will stay strong.
We need a new plan.
Let's think together.
I have some saved money.
Really? Really? That is wonderful. What can we do with it?
Let's start a small business.
What business can we start?
A snack shop. I like that idea.
Me too. Let's rent a small shop.
Let's do it today.
The shop is ready.
It looks nice.
The fresh buns are ready.
They smell delicious.
Can I have 2 buns?
Of course.
The snacks are tasty.
Thank you very much.
Many people are coming. I am so happy.
We are earning well now.
Our hard work helped us.
Welcome to our new home.
Wow, it is so beautiful.
The roof is strong now. No more rain inside.
My room is so bright. I love my new bed.
I can study peacefully. I am so happy.
Your school fees are paid.
Thank you, Dad.
Excellent. Everything is complete. I feel proud. I have all my books. Keep learning.
You are doing well. Thank you, teacher. Happy birthday, Leo! Thank you, Mom. Happy birthday!
Welcome, everyone!
Here are your gifts.
Thank you so much. This is my best birthday.
Sorry, I do not have a gift for you.
That is okay. Your friendship is the best gift. Come and eat some cake with us.
Here is your healthy lunch. It looks delicious. I have fruit too. Eat everything. Your lunch smells nice.
Let's share. Let's share. Healthy food gives energy.
Yes, teacher.
Let's buy new clothes.
Yay! This shirt is perfect. I love this dress.
Try these new shoes.
They fit well.
You look wonderful.
You look wonderful.
Thank you.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. I have a fever today.
Don't worry. I will call the doctor. I will check your health. Please help my mom, doctor.
You need 1 injection.
Mom, you will be okay soon.
Take these tablets 2 times a day.
I feel much better now. Welcome back, Mom. We are happy to see you smile.
Our dream came true.
Never give up. Hard work brings success.
Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.